Good morning, all of you. Our today's topic of discussion is micro machining. Micro machining is the process in which material is removed in terms of micrometer. It includes both the parts which have size in micrometer or the large part which have to machine with an accuracy of micrometers. The range of machining is from 0.01 micrometer to 100 micrometer. Now micro machining is divided into two parts: machining of bulk and surface machining. This is also both these type of machining also divided into two parts, that is traditional or conventional machining and second part is advanced or unconventional machining. In traditional machining comes micro turning, micro milling and micro grinding. And in non-traditional it is further of mechanical, chemical, thermal. In mechanical comes water jet machining, abrasive jet machining, ultrasonic machining. In chemical, ECM, chemical machining. In thermal, laser beam machining, electron beam machining, etc. In previous units we have studied all about these non-conventional machinings. There are also hybrid machining, which means combination of any of two or three machining process that is mechanical, chemical and thermal or electrical processes. So the basic difference is here we need accuracy in terms of micrometer in these machining. For conventional the tool used in micro machining is diamond most of the time. The condition for tool choosing a tool is that the workpiece must be more elastic than the tool. So hardness of tool should be more than workpiece. Now micro machining is used where high accuracy is required to make shaft of automobile part, making parts of watch, etc. So this is the basic introduction about micro machining. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone. Our today's topic of discussion is nano machining. So what is nano machining? It is a process in which machining is done in the range of nanometer, means that is 10 to the power minus 9 meter. It is basically a polishing or deburring process. In this, the material is removed in the range less than 100 nanometer. When we talk about classification, it is of two types, that is bulk and surface. In bulk, if we are like turning, in surface like facing. In another example of bulk nano machining is reaming, milling. This is to increase surface finish. Now these all are again classified into two terms, that is traditional and non-traditional. In traditional again, nano turning, nano milling and reaming. In non-traditional, abrasive jet machining, magnetic field ablation, and all other non-conventional process in which polishing and deburring can be done. So these are the basic of nano machining. So what are the advantages of this? Good surface finish,